punch me. Guys, you might be wondering why I'm in the back. It's because these guys are all gitchy goo goo and couple, and they need to be in the front together.
Gitchy goo goo?
It's my channel, but I have to sit in the back.
Yeah. He's a backseat boy. What do we have you him?
Oh, you just took a bite without saying anything.
Oh.
Pumpkin pie.
Blizzard.
From Dairy Queen. And Logan's got...
Logan, what do you have?
Sure.
Snickerdoodle cookie dough.
Oh, snickerdoodle cookie dough.
Snickerdoodle.
Let me take a bite. Mmm. Delicious.
So delicious.
That's scrumptious.
Mmm. Oh, I've missed this.
I'm always good with a little bit of Dairy Queen in my life.
Why are their smalls like so big?
I think the small is the perfect size for me.
Really? But then what's a large? Like, that's a big blizz. Guess what I got before this? Taco Bell.
I would have gotten Taco Bell too, but I
wanted to save himself.
I wanted to save my flour for for Dairy Queen.
Ew. What does that mean? What does save your flour mean?
I hope the woman beside us is looking at me and wondering what I'm doing.
Oh no!
I shouldn't have looked at her. She put her window
she put
up.
her window up. She can't see you.
Maybe with the flash and the freaking
yeah, she can see you.
thing up there on.
Oh my goodness. She wants nothing to do
with me. Oh, and now she's leaving because she's a little freaking freak.
The woman that's next to us was Tammy.
Tammy.
From 600 Pound Life.
Wait, that's the Tammy you were talking about?
Yeah, Tammy.
Oh.
Who did you think I was talking
From
about?
the movie Tammy.
No, I'm talking about Tammy.
I love Tammy.
Which one?
Tammy from the movie.
Mm-hmm. It's a good movie. Have you ever watched Tammy, Logan?
Mm-mm. I have not.
You haven't seen Tammy?
I only know my 600 Pound Life Tammy.
Aww.
She's sexy.
Sexy.
Got a little crush?
Maybe a little.
Mmm.
I paid my bills. My bills are paid.
Mmm. This is so good. Okay. You guys are like almost done, and this is how much I have.
It's because you put it in your mouth and it melts, and you put it in your mouth again and then it melts.
Yeah, but you're gonna get a brain freeze.
Not if it melts. In my tummy.
We could ask what's your favorite ice cream flavor?
Like for us to answer right now.
Yeah, and then for them to answer.
I'm more of a vanilla boy personally.
Yeah, my favorite is I like black raspberry or blackberry or whatever.
I can't get behind mint ice cream at all.
Yeah, it tastes like toothpaste.
Like that's the if you ever want something mint flavored, that's so gross.
The green mint is so good.
No.
Chocolate mint.
No.
Who wants something that tastes like toothpaste?
No, like
It tastes so much better than toothpaste.
No, it literally tastes identical to like spearmint toothpaste.
I guess your breath's gonna be smelling fresh all day if you eat that type of stuff.
What about that?
What?
Do you swallow your toothpaste when you're done?
Do I smell it?
Do you swallow
your toothpaste?
No, that's like disgusting.
You swallow your toothpaste?
You're not supposed to. You're supposed to spit it out.
I thought you were supposed to swallow it.
It's not edible.
You've been doing that your whole life?
Yeah.
Maybe that's why he has so many problems.
Oh my gosh. All gone because I eat all my ice cream.
Wow, you're done already?
Yeah.
Do you want some of mine? I can put it in your bowl.
Okay.
Here's your serving, little boy.
A little scoop for me.
Big scoop. There, now we're at like the same level.
Big scoop. Because big boy's got a big appetite.
And he's got a big boy eat.
And I'm a big boy.
He ate a whole pizza last night.
I ate a whole oven cooked pizza.
Yeah.
like a Red Baron, ate it all by myself, and it was the best moment of my life. I had to run to the store to get ranch because I ran out. There wasn't any at the house, and I needed ranch for the pizza, so I probably shouldn't have done that.
Yeah.
I had the oven on, and I left the house. And then I came back like 20 minutes later. It was very irresponsible of me.
Little laugh from Logan, little action.
But
Not getting too much out of you today.
I better go in or something.
Why?
he's got to take a deuce.
Dookie!
I do.
I'm
You're only
letting
gonna be
him know.
open for so much longer. Go in.
Run.
You're okay. You should get in the front for 10 minutes.
I should get in the front for 10 minutes.
Hop
I'm
up
gonna
here.
get in the front for 10 minutes.
Hop up here, big boy. In the driver's seat. Just don't drive away. Ooh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Put them big boy like you just shook the whole car.
Is that Logan already? No, it's not. It's some other old man coming out.
It kind of looks like it.
If you also couldn't tell, I happened to get a little haircut on the top of my head.
I know it looks less fluffy than normal.
And it looks so good. Right? It looks good, right? My haircut looks good, right?
Sure. Why do we keep looking back? He's not going to be out here for
I know.
20 more minutes.
Sometimes I get freaked out though, and I think somebody's gonna surround the car and they're gonna start tapping on the
I know.
windows.
Maybe we should lock. Ethan, drive away.
I can't reach.
He can't reach the pedal.
I'm so short. See?
Little elf on the shelf. Love that.
Ew!
Don't put that in there. That's really embarrassing.
I'm putting that in there.
No, don't, Ethan. What did I do?
What'd you just say?
What did I do?
Oh.
Ow, I have a rash on my arm. What do I do? What do I do? Eat it!
Seeing you tonight.
Maybe we should just talk a lot of bad stuff about Logan while he's gone.
It's a bad
And then
idea,
when he
right?
sees this video, he'll get so mad.
Logan is a stinky little goofball.
Logan is a smelly little boy that always sleeps too long.
Stinky
Stinky
little
little
man.
man.
And he's a goofball. Logan!
And he freaking takes 30 minutes to use the bathroom.
Logan!
Logan,
Come back!
come back to me. Maybe they have him working in there now.
They were
Too many pumpkin blizzards
There's
to
too
make.
many pumpkin pie blizzards. You need to put a hat on and get back here right now.
Oh.
Seeing you tonight, it's a bad idea, right? Seeing you tonight,
Right?
it's a bad idea, right? I love that song.
What's that one thing? It goes.
Yeah,
Getting
she's-
his car, I should stop, but I can't. I like that. Oh. Do you like my nails?
Talons.
This is what my little lady. Oh, this is what my little lady did for me today.
That's for all the girl viewers out
That's
there.
for all my ladies. All my ladies, and maybe even some men. Nothing wrong with a man who knows what he wants.
Some men just like those nails
Sharp.
sharpened.
I could claw Ethan's eyes out right now.
Ew, that was
Yeah,
disgusting.
that's good. Ethan, please don't put any of this in.
I'm
I'm gonna
putting
look
every
like a,
all
no,
of it
Ethan,
in
I'm
there.
gonna look like a goob, and if people watch it, it's just.
Is Logan gonna get locked in? They're about to close. What time is it?
Oh wait, what's happening? I don't know.
They're gonna lock him in the bed.
They're about to close in like 6 minutes if he doesn't hurry up and get it
Is
out
it
of
6
him.
minutes?
Yeah, it is. It's 9:24.
And then he's gonna be waddling out. Just like in Grown Ups 2, whenever the grandma's walking out and has the piece of toilet paper sticking out.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
The bunion. The grandma with the bunions.
Oh, okay, I know what you're talking about.
And she's like,
I got bunions.
she goes, I'll be there in a second. I got my bunions.
What else?
What else?
No, I was trying to think of like grown-ups, but I can only think of grown-ups 2 because grown-ups 2 is like superior to
Oh,
the first one.
I love those movies so much. I love the Grown Ups
Ethan,
movies. Have you seen the TikToks with the it's the Go White Boy Go dance and the leg spins?
Yeah,
I love
and they
that.
always. Oh my god, he didn't get locked in. How do you knows how.
I figured I'd take the front for a second.
We said so much good stuff about you while you were gone.
Like what?
We said such nice
just have
stuff.
to see what you
You'll have
said.
to watch the video because we only said nice
We always
things.
said very nice things like, oh, Logan's so handsome, he's so sweet,
He's so smart.
he's so smart, he's so kind, he's such a good driver,
Such a good driver.
such a clean car,
Such a clean car.
such a smooth face.
But you're not a very good driver.
I just said a bunch of nice stuff and that's what you have to say?
I wonder if people think that I look like a little iPad kid in the back.
You kind of do. You look so tiny. I just want to... Look at his... Logan, look at his little head.
I know.
Look at that little baby head. Wait, do that again.
Punch me. I wonder if everybody is like, well, look at these grubby fingers.
Them little munchkin hands.
Munchkin?
I can do some ASMR.
What are you talking about, Munchkin? I ain't no Munchkin.
Or much.
You look like you get out of bed at 2 in the morning and go steal cookies out of the cookie jar.
Ethan does do that.
I do
As long as they're not chocolate chip.
Because I don't like that chocolate.
He doesn't like it ever. Logan actually laughed. Which, obviously, you never see. I don't think we've seen him laugh once.
Oh, he laughs at me all the time.
Who do you think you laugh at more? Me or Ethan?
Ethan.
Why? Because he's more awkward. I know what I'm doing.
It's because I'm funnier.
Ew. Don't laugh. It's not funny.
It's so funny. Laugh again. Laugh again. Do it. Laugh. Laugh.
He doesn't
laugh.
want to.
Laugh.
He doesn't want to. See, that was fake.
No, that's fake.
It was fake.
Don't laugh at me. Don't fake laugh at me. You real laugh.
Oh, what's that voice? Is that your teaching voice?
This is my voice if I was a teacher and the kids
That's your
did
voice.
bad.
It kind of sounds like you smoked like 10 packs of cigarettes.
This would be my voice if the students did bad job in class. You did a bad job in class, students. You guys did bad in class.
Everyone did bad in class.
Have detention now because you did bad in class. F minus for you. Oh.
Some late night DQ,
But on the bike.
but too late.
On the bike edition, he's like, I wanted my DQ. Why are you closed?
He's upset.
I rode all my way here on my bike just for some DQ and you're closed.
Yes, 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 yes.
That's the sound of police.
Whoop, whoop,
That's the sound of police.
whoop, whoop.
That's the sound that I make when I pull over the cars.
Ew, put it away.
Whoop, whoop.
It's the sound of the police. Whoop, whoop.
It's the sound that we make when we pull over all the cars and get their tickets. Give them tickets for no reason. Give them tickets.
Spit, go.
Give them tickets on bars.
Yeah, spit
Make
bars.
them pay $50 in deductible.
No,
That was good.
no. If anybody wants to see my freaking rash,
Rash alert, freak alert.
oh my
Should have
gosh.
shower right.
I do shower right. Don't ever say that about me, because I do.
Shower, there's a right way to shower? Is that what you said? She doesn't
Yeah,
shower,
Ethan
right?
gets in and he rubs some soap on his body and he gets out. He never washes properly.
Sound of the police.
Whoop, whoop.
It's the sound that we make when we pull over the cars.
What else?
Give them tickets for giving 10 above speed limit.
10 above speed
Give
limit.
them a $300 fine.
$300 fine.
They decide to take it to court.
Take the
it
court.
They lose the battle.
They
Lose the battle.
Extra 300.
Extra
300.
300.
600 out the door.
600
Out
out
the
the
door.
door. Is that it? That's it.
And that's it.
That's it. Okay, everyone, say bye. Bye.
Bye.
And the worst of all,
Bye.
Mrs. Ethan Philly.
Bye.
Whoop, whoop.